National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern El Paso County in east-central Colorado, northwestern Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado until 2:30 p.m. At 1:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Piñon, or 17 miles northwest of Pueblo, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southern Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Pueblo Airport, Fountain, Hanover, Fort Carson, Pueblo West, Piñon, Security, Widefield, and Stratmur. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Purchases you've ever made.